Good morning, guys. Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. We're going to do a Bitcoin update. So let's just hop straight into it here. All right, Bitcoin. We did an update on this yesterday, and we're targeting, roughly around 27,585 or so for this potential two-wave down. Let's just kind of zoom out just for a second, take a peek at what I ultimately think is going on. For those of you who are new to this channel, I believe that this structure here is we'll zoom out just a little bit. This structure here is a one wave as such, and then we are working on possibly a WXY, down to anywhere low 24K, 25,000 or so. And then we will begin our three-wave up from there, is my current bias and my current primary situation. So this structure off of this high here has been very, 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 very frustrating, very choppy. No clear trends in any direction, up or down. It's really just, sideways behavior, which is indicative of a corrective structure, corrective pattern in Elliott wave. And that is what I believe we have going on. There is still one small, slight possibility that we have indeed bottomed here in a WXY. And if we did, that would be, we would have to be in some sort of a leading diagonal because this structure is choppy, overlapping, and is certainly not impulsive in an upwards manner. So that would have to be some sort of 1, 2. This would be an A, B, C for a 3, and then we would need a 4 down, and then a 5 up, and then a 3 wave, and then breaking back above the top of that 5, wherever that may pop up to. That would be what we would have to see for a bullish scenario to play out of this current structure. That would be very choppy, sloppy, and not ideal. I would prefer to get the flush down here, and then once we bottom around 50%, the 618, retracement of wave 2, then begin an impulse up, which would make it a much cleaner chart. So selfishly, that's what I would prefer, but that certainly does not mean that's what we're going to get, or that's what we have to get. So my primary right now is that this is a W, this is an X, and we are working on an A, B, and then a 5-wave C down to roughly this target here. But again, this also could be, a WXY, putting in a W, and then this could be an AB to put in an X, and then possibly working on an ABC, which would just be a 3-wave down to put in our Y, and then impulse up from there. So that's still possible as well. But ultimately, I am seeing this as a corrective move, and we do have one more leg lower. The only thing that would really invalidate that is a break back above this high here. If we do break back above that high there, I will start to look at the possibilities that we are indeed in that leading diagonal, and the bottom is in here. But this structure as of right now is leading me to believe that we are impulsive down, or at least trending in a direction down to get our possible last sweep, of our low, and to hit 25K or so. I've got this structure here as a one wave, being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then possibly currently working on what looks to be a sideways, sloppy, choppy 2-wave as an A, possibly a B, and then maybe working on our C wave up right now. That would be targeting as mentioned before, I think I accidentally deleted my line, roughly 27,589 or so. That would be where this C wave would target. And then from there, I would anticipate a rejection down. So that's currently what I'm seeing. That's my primary idea, is that this is a one wave or some sort of an A wave, and we're working on our structure down. All right, we'll keep this updated. See y'all later.